Naturalis Historia in Latin describes trade relation between India and Italy. The author is Pliny. The first systematic theory of India, the first systematic history of India, but pro-imperialist, was prepared in 1904 in the Early History of India, written by V. A. Smith. The first systematic history of India, but pro-imperialist, was prepared in 1904 in the Early History of India, written by V. A. Smith. The art of dyeing was known to Horoppans. Pottery was heavy and utilitarian and was made by potter's wheel. Art of dyeing was known to Horoppans. Pottery was heavy and utilitarian and was made by potter's wheel. The two tribes, Bharat and Puru, were jointly called as Kuru. Their capital was Hastinapur and territory was known as Kurukshetra. Lord Buddha was born in 566 BCE to Mother Mahamaya and Father Shuddhodana at Lumbini. Gautam Buddha passed away at the age of 80 in 483 BCE at a place called Kushinagar. The kings of Kosala favored both Brahmanism and Buddhism. King Prosenjit of Kosala was a friend and contemporary of Buddha. Skillful and elegant use of arc with pillars and beams and lifted terraces characterizes Malwa architecture. Minaret is absent. Give some examples. Hindola Mahal, Jahaj Mahal, Baz Bahadur Mahal. Vasco da Gama was the first European to reach India by sea route. He reached in India on May 20, 1498 at Calicut. Mappila were poor peasants and agricultural laborers. They revolted in 1836 to 1854 at South Malabar coast. Sautal rebellion was led by four brothers in Rajmahal Hills. They were Sidhu, Kanhu, Chand and Bhairav. Kukwa movement in Punjab took place in 1870s. It was suppressed by the Viceroy Lord Northbrook. Raja Ram Mohan Rai founded Attiya Sabha in 1815. What was the topic of main discussion in Attiya Sabha? Supremacy of monotheism. In 1839, Tattvabodhini Sabha was founded by Devendranath Tagore. All India Muslim League was set up by Nawab Salimullah in 1906. It was set up at Dhaka. Dadabhai Naoroji was the first person to give the concept of drain of wealth His famous book about British rule was Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Sompen tribe is found where in India? Nicobar Island. In India, which state has the largest inland saline wetland? Rajasthan. As per India's National Population Policy 2000, by which year it is our long-term objective to achieve population stabilization? 2045. Where is the Duncan Passage located? South and Little Andaman. Which country shares longest border with India? Bangladesh. Farrell's law is related to deflation of trade wind and ocean current. The Norcrek Biosphere Reserve is located in Meghalaya. Lichens are the best indicator of air pollution. The cycling of element in an ecosystem is called biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycle. Cycling of elements in an ecosystem is called biogeochemical cycle. What is the general direction of cyclones formed in the Bay of Bengal? West to east. What is the rainfall distribution pattern over the Ganga basin? Decrease from west to east and north to south. Which hills are found where the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet? Nilgiri Hill. The Bhagirathi River originates from Gomukh. The richest biodiversity in India is found in Silent Valley. Richest biodiversity in India is found in Silent Valley. During which decade did the population record a negative growth rate in India? 1911 to 1921. Which central government agency is responsible for the mapping and exploration of minerals? Geological Survey of India. The equatorial rainforest is also known as selva. Which type of minorities were recognized by the Constitution of India? Linguistic and religious minorities. Article 29 and 30. In which country the concept of public interest litigation originated? United States of America. In which article of Constitution the freedom of press have been mentioned? Article 19(1)(a). Who of the following presidents of India was also the Secretary General of Non-Aligned Movement for the same period? Gyani Joilo Singh. What is the number of spokes in the Dharmachakra in the national flag of India? Number of spokes in the Dharmachakra in the national flag of India? 24. How many high courts in India have jurisdiction over more than one state? 3. Which president of India was associated with the trade union movement? V.V. Giri. Which president of India was associated with the trade union movement? V.V. Giri. Indian Parliament consists of President and both the houses. Who has the right under the Constitution to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court on question of law? The President. Normally, the Parliament can legislate on the subject enumerated in the Union as well as concurrent list. If the post of the Vice President of India is vacant at the time of resignation or demise of the President of India, who among the following assumes the charge of the office of President? Chief Justice of India. Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of both houses of Parliament. To have speedy justice flows from which article? Article 21. Who decides the disputes regarding election of the President? The Parliament. Who acts as the Secretary of National Development Council? Secretary, Planning Commission. The three-tier system of Panchayati Raj was initially recommended by Balwant Raj Mehta Committee. A Panchayat Samiti at the block level is an administrative authority. Privilege motion can be raised against a minister when he withholds facts of a case or gives a distorted version of facts. Withholds facts of a case or gives a distorted version of facts. The first estimate of national income in India was made by Dadabhai Nauroji. Fiscal policy in India is formulated by Finance Ministry. What is the period covered by the 12th Finance Commission? 2005 to 2010, under whose chairmanship was the Committee on Insurance Sector Reforms set up? R.N. Malhotra. Which public sector bank's emblem features a dog and the words faithful friendly in it? Syndicate Bank. Special drawing rights SDRs relate to which organization? International Monetary Fund IMF. Sabhiman scheme launched in India is associated with rural banking. Tendulkar committee has estimated that in India the population below poverty line is 37.2%. Which state has launched Apan Dhan scheme? Himachal Pradesh. Ethanol mixed petrol is being sold in various states with effect from January 1, 2003. The percentage of ethanol in petrol is 5%. Index Residex is associated with land prices. Trade-related intellectual property rights (TRIPS) agreement is administered by World Trade Organization. Which is the top state in India in terms of foreign tourists visited? Maharashtra. Open market operation is a part of credit policy. What curve is used for the measurement of distribution of income? Gini-Lorenz curve. Lahiri Commission was associated with price structure of edible oils. Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana is an insurance scheme for rural landless households introduced by Life Insurance Corporation of India. The coil in a heater is made of nichrome. The pH of human blood is normally around 7.5 to 8. Silicon carbide (SiC) is known as carborundum. The quality of diesel oil for use in diesel engine is determined by the octane number, which gets deficient in the human body due to dengue fever. Platelets. Which type of organisms do mushrooms belong? Fungi. In an earthen pitcher, water remains cold due to the process of evaporation. A polymer which is used for making ropes and carpets fibers is polypropylene. Polymer which is used for making ropes and carpet fibers is polypropylene. Rusting of iron is an electrochemical process. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? Vitamin K. Which gas is used to ripen the fruits artificially? Acetylene. Contact lenses are made from lucite. The stars seem to be higher on the sky than they actually are. This can be explained by atmospheric refraction. Who is the father of modern genetics? Gregor Johann Mendel. Fixation of nitrogen implies the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into useful compounds. Colored glasses for goggles contain lanthanide oxide. Lanthanide oxide. Colored glasses for goggles contain lanthanide oxide. The penetrating power of X-ray can be increased by increasing the potential difference between the cathode and the anode. Who wrote the poem Subha-e-Azadi? Faiz Ahmed Faiz. Norman Borlaug, regarded as the father of Green Revolution in India, is from which country? United States of America. In which place is the Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research located? Kalpakkam. The Rotterdam Convention deals with limiting the use of toxic chemicals. The National Commission on Population is headed by Prime Minister. When is the International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination? March 21.